Are you tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Today, we're diving into the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution to never losing track of your valuables again. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding feature, powered by Ultra Wideband technology. Imagine pinpointing the exact location of your lost item, down to a few feet, right on your iPhone screen with clear directional arrows. Setting up these lifesavers is ridiculously easy. With just one tap, your AirTag instantly pairs with your iPhone, getting you up and running in seconds. And don't worry about accidental spills or drops, because AirTag boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, meaning it can survive being submerged. Thinking about buying a reliable tracker? The seamless integration with Apple's Find My network and its robust build quality makes this the best electronics purchase for anyone in the Apple ecosystem. If you're wondering if the Apple AirTag is worth it, the answer is a resounding yes. Stop the stress of lost items. Click the Amazon link in the description below to grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today and keep track of what matters most.